So how are we doing this? Yeah, I'm not mining these things in my garage. Sorry to disappoint you on that. So we actually belong to a company called Mining City, and that's the CEO. This information is publicly available. You can chat to him. He's on LinkedIn. He's on Facebook. It's Greg. I don't want to try to say his second name. And what the mission of the CEO was, we want to make to change people's mind until we want to give people hope. You know, people have lost a lot of money to scams in the past. They wanted to come up with something legit, something that can give people hope in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a beautiful place to be, but a lot of get poor quick scams have ruined this opportunity to many people, you know, and they are trying their best to make sure that we see these opportunities the way it's supposed to be, you know. So the project started, you know, in 2018, but it was officially launched in February. I personally joined Mining City in July 2019. We are growing very fast. We should be way more than 300,000 members, you know. We actually reached the 1 billion US dollar sales in less than 1 year. Big companies like the Amazons, you know, took them 5 years. So that's something to be proud of, you know. The most exciting part is out of that 1 billion, 35% of that went to people like me. Why do you think I get this excitement to do what I'm doing here? Because they pay us nicely, you know? So with this opportunity, you can decide to join as a passive member, whereby you just take advantage of the daily coin that we share. Or you can be an active member, you educate people and you build a team and you can make a lot of money. Personally, I like educating, I like empowering. And I always say, even if I wasn't making money with cryptocurrency, I would still want people to know there is hope. You know, you don't have to depend on selfish politicians, you know. So, but they're not working alone. So Mining City can be put as like the mining front, the marketing front of the whole opportunity. We have the brains behind everything that we are doing. And this is the exciting part for me. You know, it's only that I cannot, we don't belong to Minebase, we belong to Mining City, but the engine, the science behind everything, it's thanks to Eyal. You know, he's from Israel. For those people who know the Jewish there, those people are smart, whatever they eat up there, you know. So what was his mission? Blockchain should be easy to implement, and those using the solution should not have to understand it in order to use it. That's a scientist speaking. You know, you don't need to know why you're doing what. You just need to benefit from it. And that's why sometimes I say we overanalyze things. You know, we drive cars. I really don't know how those things really work, but I can drive the internet, because people come and ask you like, so how does Bitcoin really work? I don't know, but I know how I can make money with it. Okay, so Mindbase is the engine, is the science behind everything that we are doing, the technology, the facility, the hosting. You know, this company started in 2017. They have several mining farms, you know, 3 in Kazakhstan, one actually 3 now in China, and there's another one in Paraguay, you know. Then we have the head offices for both Mining City and Mindbase in Poland. By the way, you're welcome to visit these opportunities. Don't have to have special ranks. You know, the CEO, Greg, just said the other day, if you want to travel, you know, they can even help you make arrangement to go and see this site, because they want people to know that it's not like a group of people who sat down and they are doing all this on a computer. There is real mining, there is real offices with real people working in those offices. We have more than 300,000 people who are hired by Mining City and Mindbase. Okay, they are actually awarded recently as the top 10 mining farms. So you'll see them in conferences where they are driving the technology and how people can do things better. Remember, I was talking about these organizations that are trying to bring sanity into the mining world, you know, the Decentralized Digital Mining Standard and the World Digital Mining Organization. And these, for me, Though it's a discussion we can have on a different day, this protects community-driven projects from 51% attack. This is when hostile people take over a blockchain and they go mine as many of those coins. They take them, sell them cheaply, into the exchanges. That does happen. Okay, so if you control the mining part, they also try other strategies to get those coins and also ruin the opportunity. We have seen some dramatic things going on. But as I always say, depending if you know the people behind the project, what they are doing and what they are aiming to achieve, all what you do is do your part, because these are community, your actions affect the whole community. So transparency, honesty, accountability is what these two gentlemen are always campaigning for. And that's why for me, also I want to represent them the way they want to be represented. Okay, so we are safe from 51% attack. All what we need to do is keep educating people and keep growing these opportunities. Okay,